thrilled to be here. But before we get started, something that I just have to do, given what's going on the East Coast in terms of the weather, we need to take a moment just to always say how focused we are, how heartbroken Barack and I are about those who have suffered because of the Hurricane Sandy. And as you all know, Barack has been working tirelessly with our governors and our mayors and our extraordinary first responders to make sure that those communities get all the support that they need. And even in these times of great excitement, we got to stay focused on the fact that when people suffer in this country, we all come together. And we have to keep our thoughts and prayers going out to everyone there and make sure we stand behind them. Okay? So.